In this lesson, we are going to install Android Studio. This is the official IDE for Android development. It's created by Google and is powered by JetBrains. So the typical way to install Android Studio is to go to the website developer.android.com/studio. And there you would agree to the terms and conditions and download the app. But there's also a simpler way using this app called JetBrains Toolbox. So if you go to jetbrains.com/toolbox app, you can download this app, which is a version manager. So you can download many IDEs, including Android Studio. And there it makes it simpler to install and update. With the click of a button, you can update. You don't need to go to any website. So when you download and install JetBrains Toolbox, you get this little icon. On Mac, it's on top, and on Windows, it's at the bottom. So this is where you can download and search for Android Studio. Here we accept the terms and conditions, of course, and it downloads from here. And later on, when you want to update the Android Studio, you get an update button here, just like what you see. That's it, and this is now installed. So I click on the app and it opens Android Studio. And first time when you open it, it looks like this. So I press next and pretty much just press next. More agreeing to terms and conditions. And here we have a lot of waiting to do. So now it's downloading Android SDK, emulator, and things that are necessary to build an app. So there you go. This is Android Studio. And we will create a project together in the next lesson. But first, some questions that might pop up. For example, what is the hardware requirement for Android development? It's nice to have at least 16 GB of RAM, especially if you're using emulator, which we will get to it later. Lower than 16 GB, you can still start, is okay at the beginning, but you might feel that it gets slow. Your system gets slow and it's just a bit annoying. And for CPU, of course, the stronger, the better. This is something during the compilation time you will notice. So especially as your app gets bigger and bigger, you have more code base and more resources. If your CPU is lower than, let's say, Intel Core i9 or Apple M series, you will experience longer compilation times. But CPUs less strong than these will do okay at the beginning. Just in the long term, it's better to have a stronger CPU. And as far as software, so any operating system is fine. You can develop Android apps on Windows, Mac, Linux, they're all fine. So the action items for this lesson is to install Android Studio using either the direct option or the JetBrains Toolbox.